Today on the Roy Garage, we work on connecting that to there. Here's a look at some of the parts we're going to be using. We got some 3/4 inch DD rod. We have 2 U-joints. We have one going to the power steering box, a ball joint. Let's get started. First step that we're going to do today is move the power steering box back and rotate it up. So this is the original spot. Thinking about moving it back just like that. There's actually a hole right there. We just need to make that one a little bit bigger and drill the one on the left. Okay. It might not look like a big difference. The angle that we have in the U-joints, I think it's gonna make it a lot easier to go from there down to there. I'm gonna toss this on here. I look for this flat side, and what I wanna do is line that up with this hole. I take this bad boy, screw that in there. All right, that isn't going anywhere. I'm gonna focus on our next fixed point. And I found this rag joint. That was the original one with the spline that goes on here. And I drilled it out to 3/4 inch so I could fit the rod in there. The reason I'm exploring this is I have all the hardware in order to fasten it up to the steering column. That's what I was afraid of right there. See that? Come on, why are you being so mean? So I don't think this, guys, it's gonna work. Too much angle. Let's see what we got for other options here, huh? All right, let's see what happens here. Now I'm gonna go inside and see what it does. Uh-oh, what happened there? Oh, I just had this tiny little nub in here. Let's get that out and let's make a little bit bigger one. Listen to that rag joint. Oh, that seems pretty good. Yeah. Feels good. Yeah. Looks good. Sounds good too. I do need to drill a hole, tap a screw into the rag joint. Pilot hole drilled. Kids, don't do this at home. So now we've drilled the hole. Now we're gonna use this tap and make some threads.
Do a couple forward, go backwards a little bit. Couple times forward. Go back, clean those sides out. Make it fit the right side hole. Rather than going bigger than that.
And voila. See that? Take this bad boy. Boom, look at that. That is not going anywhere. Let's get this back in there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you know when a new video comes out. If you want to learn more about supporting the Roy Garage, go to www.patreon.com/The Roy Garage.